Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls everywhere in this world, how are you doing today? Let me say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the place you are watching this video from. This is Burundi Vision TV. Make sure that you've already pressed subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can see all my new posts. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm coming with a very important emission, a very nice emission. I'm going to tell you 4 best stadium in Burundi.
I just wanted you to know that I'll never let you.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, some people abroad, the foreigners, some of them, they think that in the Burundi we don't have the best stadium. But let me let you know that in Burundi we have a great deal of stadium. But today we are going to talk about only 4 best stadium in Burundi, the heart of Africa. Of course, yes, you've heard me, the heart of Africa, Burundi. Guys, kindly subscribe on this channel and we're gonna share together the beauty of Burundi and you will never be disappointed. Of course, yes, I'm telling you. If you subscribe on the channel, you will never be disappointed. Just a second. Let's get started. Alright then, my people, let's start by stadium number 4. Stadium number 4 is a stadium called Urukundo Stadium. Urukundo Stadium is a stadium located in Ngozi province in a big town of Ngozi. Ladies and gentlemen, look how this stadium is so beautiful. Look how this stadium is so stunning. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like just to let you know that this stadium is shared by 2 teams, which are Romesa Ngozi and Ngozi City Football Club. Next, stadium number 3 is Ingoma Stadium. Ingoma Stadium is a stadium located in Gitega province, exactly in a big town of Gitega. Let me let you know that this stadium is shared by 2 teams, which are Musongati Football Club and Frambody Centre Football Club. Ladies and gentlemen, look how this stadium is so stunning. Look how this stadium is so nice.
Stops your dreams, but you're all I need, honestly.
And next stadium number 2 is Nziza Peace Complex Stadium. Nziza Peace Complex Stadium is a stadium located in Makamba province. Ladies and gentlemen, look how this stadium is so beautiful. Look how this stadium is so stunning. It is very awesome stadium. Alright then, my people, in Burundi we do have a lot of great and nice stadium. This stadium is a stadium of Aigle Noir Football Club. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the number 1 official is Intwari Stadium. Intwari Stadium is in the national stadium of Burundi. This stadium is located in Bujumbura province, exactly in a big town of Bujumbura. Ladies and gentlemen, look how this stadium is so beautiful. Look how this stadium is so stunning. Ladies and gentlemen, let me let you know that this stadium is still under construction, but soon this one will be ready and finished. And also, this stadium will be used to host international games such as CAF Champions League and CAF Confederation Cup. And also, it can be used for the games of Intamba Murugamba national team of Burundi. Thank you so much for watching this video, ladies and gentlemen. Kindly subscribe on the channel and we'll be together in the next videos. Thank you so much. Ciao, ciao.